Hey you guys, welcome back to my garden. Today I am going to be placing out all of the plants that I have ready for my new flower bed, and I'm so excited to get started on that. But first of all, I just want to say thank you so much because I just passed 4,000 subscribers. This is a new channel and I've just started sharing all of my gardening adventures and my gardening journey, and I'm so excited that so many of you are here for it. So thank you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I hope that you do. Please like the videos, comment in the videos because it helps me so much. And I am just so thrilled that things are going well. So let's get started on this project. All right, you guys, so this is the new flower bed. I've already transplanted one of my peonies over here, and then the bed continues over here that you've seen before. So we are going to plant up this area. So super excited to see how we can work on this. I don't know, you guys. I do not know exactly how I want to plan out this bed. So a couple of things. I'm getting ahead of myself because we have this big poplar tree right here. So this big poplar tree that the cat is sitting at that goes up, we want to cut that down because it's interfering with a bigger tree that's behind it that we really love, that has like these really pretty branches that lay out over the hillside. So we want to get rid of this poplar tree and we want to plant something else over here. If we plant something over here, it's going to provide shade longer during the hot afternoon. And I like having this bench right here because I get to see the pretty view of the house and the gardens. I'm having a little bit of trouble envisioning everything because we haven't cut this thing down yet. But also, I want to put in pathways right here. We're going to cut out the fencing and create an opening to the vegetable garden that's super overgrown, so please ignore that. We want to do a pathway through here. I need to get some stepping stones so I can shape that better and make sure that I plant everything out properly with the shape of that pathway. But then also I want to start here and then go this way to the bench so we have a little pathway veering off. So I can't do anything with that flower bed until I have the stepping stones that I need. I really want to put those in first so I can make sure I place my plants properly. So I'm going to head to a garden center and try to find some that'll work. So I found the stones that I need, but I can't get them right now. First of all, it started raining on me. Second of all, I don't need an entire pallet, only need half a pallet, and there's no one here to do that unless I were to do it myself, and I'm not in the mood to load a bunch of rocks in the rain. So here they are, ready for pickup. Oh, rain. So the trip wasn't a complete failure because I did pick up 3 more of the tater tot arborvitaes that I've been wanting, and the garden center that had them actually showed me one that was mature in size, and they get bigger than I realized, but that's okay. The other thing I was able to determine is what tree I want to go in that flower bed. They had some dogwoods, they had some crepe myrtles, they even had some river birches that have that really pretty bark. And I think I'm gonna go with a specific variety of dogwood. I was able to go pick up my rocks today, so now I have my flagstones and I got my dogwood tree. So it's kind of sketch getting home, but I'm excited to get to lay these out and plant this tree. So now we have our new dogwood tree back behind the bench. It's a Kusa dogwood, I believe is how you say it. But we have this really big, pretty tree that arches over the hillside. And so when we had that poplar tree right there where the dogwood is now, it just kind of took away from how pretty that tree was. And the dogwood won't get nearly as big as the poplar. I think max it's supposed to get like 20 foot tall. We've got our pallet of rocks over here. This is only half of the half. I bought half a pallet. This is about half of that. So I probably won't even use all of those over here. But again, we're gonna take this panel out. We're gonna put our stepping stones in to a path here and a path here. But that'll be for another video. I just wanted to show you guys how everything was looking. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy gardening.